Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to Mysteries from Beyond the Other Dominion. I'm your host, Dr. Franklin Ruehl. Now, a planet with 3 stars. Yes, 3 stars. Roll tape. The strangest planet thus far discovered in our universe. Let's take a look at it. It was recently found around the star HD 188753. That's about 149 light years from Earth, not that far away in cosmic terms. The planet itself, Z, is about 14% larger than our largest planet, Jupiter. It orbits very closely, only 5 million miles from that central sun, and of course the Earth is further out at 92 million miles. What is very unusual is that also orbiting the central star is a pair of 2 other stars, a binary pair orbiting that sun about where you'd find Saturn and Uranus in our solar system. And amazingly, those entities that exist on planet Z, which I believe do, would be seeing 3 suns in the sky. And of course, this would affect their evolution significantly. For example, with all that sunlight coming in, they might have developed thicker hides or furry bodies to protect their skins from the radiation. They also would probably have unusual circadian rhythms, perhaps a sleep-wake cycle of 2 hours of darkness, 48 hours of light. Perhaps they've even migrated and evolved underground to avoid that excessive sun. But this is important because cosmologists had argued that such a planet could not exist because of the gravitational attraction of the 2 other stars, preventing the coalescing of material to form a planet. But they've been contradicted by this discovery. And of course, I'm arguing that in this planetary family, we may have several other smaller planets that have not been identified, just the largest one, all around that sun. And of course, those 2 other stars probably have their own planetary systems, so it's a very complex system. But I argue that this is an argument for the existence of life throughout the cosmos, because even in unusual situations where you might have 3 stars, you will still have planets, and where you have planets, you have the chance for life. I point out that in our own solar system, we almost had 5 stars, yes, because the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, each went from the pre-stellar to the post-stellar phase without undergoing thermonuclear explosion. The proof of this is seen in the fact that each one has a residual energy generator. They each emit more energy than they receive from the sun. Fortunately, they do not explode into stars, or our life, our evolution would have been entirely different. Humans would not be on this planet. But undoubtedly, there are planetary systems out there with 2, 3, 4, or 5, or maybe even more stars. And again, I propose that life could exist on planets in those systems, although entirely different from life as we know it. So I believe that this discovery is actually just one more piece of evidence for my thesis that the universe is literally teeming with life. That life indeed is the common, yes, I said the common denominator of the cosmic backdrop. No doubt about it whatsoever. Now, until next time, may the power of the cosmos be with you. Yes, yes, yes.